Hello everyone, welcome to this video on containerization. In today's world, where software development is rapidly growing, it is important to have a reliable and efficient way to manage and deploy applications. Containerization is a technique that has emerged as a solution to this problem. In this video, we'll be discussing what containerization is, its advantages, and how it works. Containerization is a method of packaging and deploying applications in a way that they can run consistently across different environments. A container is a lightweight and portable package that includes everything an application needs to run, such as code, runtime, system tools, and libraries. Containerization has several advantages over traditional methods of application deployment, including portability. Containers are designed to be easily portable across different environments. This means that applications can be developed and tested on one machine and then deployed on another without the need for any modifications. Consistency. Containers ensure that the application runs the same way on different machines, regardless of the underlying infrastructure. Resource efficiency. Containers are lightweight and do not require a separate operating system for each application instance, which reduces the amount of resources needed to run applications. Scalability. Containers can be easily scaled up or down depending on the demand, which makes them ideal for applications with variable workloads. Containerization works by using a container engine, such as Docker, to create and manage containers. A container image is created that includes the application code, runtime, system tools, and libraries. This image can be used to create multiple containers that run the same application. Each container is isolated from the host machine and other containers, which ensures that the application runs consistently and does not interfere with other applications. In conclusion, containerization is a powerful technique for managing and deploying applications. It provides several advantages over traditional deployment methods, and is becoming increasingly popular in the software development industry. If you haven't already, it's definitely worth exploring containerization for your next application deployment project. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on computer security and technology. See you next time.